Hey everybody, hope you're doing well. Here is my presentation on the nervous system. The nervous system is a complex network responsible for coordinating and controlling the body's functions. A description of the nervous system. The nervous system is like the body's control center. It helps us think, move, and feel things. There are actually two main parts of the nervous system. There's the central nervous system, the CNS, and then there's the peripheral nervous system, the PNS. The main components of the nervous system are the brain, which is here in our head, the spinal cord, which goes down our back, and the nerves that are all connected. Some functions of the nervous system. It receives information from the environment through the sensory organs. It's a processing and interpreting the received information. And it also transmits signals to various parts of our body to initiate appropriate responses. So some of the sensory organs are our five senses. There's sense of sight, which is through our eyes, sense of taste, which is done through our tongue and our taste buds in our mouth, sense of sound, which is used by our ears, sense of smell, which is done by our nose, and the sense of touch, which is mainly done in our hands, but can also be throughout our whole body on our skin. Growth, development, and maintenance of the nervous system. So we need to make sure we have adequate nutrition. That includes essential nutrients like vitamins and minerals. We need to make sure we're getting enough sleep, we're getting enough rest that is sufficient to our needs and which allows the brains and the nerves to recharge. We need regular physical activity, which that promotes blood flow and overall good brain health. And we also need to get mental stimulation, such as reading and puzzles, and maybe even learning a new skill are great for mental stimulation. So some of the negative impacts some of the negative influences that impact our nervous system are lack of proper nutrition, which we just talked about, eating well. So the opposite of that would be the lack of that. So that would be a negative effect. It leads to deficiencies in essential nutrients. Insufficient sleep and rest causes fatigue and impaired cognitive function. A sedentary lifestyle, which is sitting around, that will hamper your blood flow to your brain. So sitting around is not good for us. We need to get moving, and that gets our blood flowing, and that gets just all of our organs that we need, and especially our nervous system. It gets that moving and going and just makes you overall feel good. Substance abuse, which includes alcohol and drugs, and that's not good for our nervous system, and it can also be damaging to our nerve cells, which are a part of that nervous system. The importance of the nervous system. Why do we need it? Well, it controls our vital bodily functions such as breathing, heartbeat, and digestion, which are three big things that we need to live. It allows us to think. It helps us to reason. It helps us to learn. It helps us to communicate. Those five senses there, we communicate through those. It coordinates voluntary and involuntary actions, which enables us movement and maintaining balance. If we didn't have balance and movement, you wouldn't be able to walk across the room. So we need to take care of our nervous system since it is a vital part of our living in our bodies. We need to take care of it. So we need to eat a balanced diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. We need to get enough sleep. We need to practice relaxation techniques, such as meditation or yoga, or just helping our body rest. We need to engage in regular physical exercise, do some of those brain stimulating activities, such as those puzzles, reading a book. And then we need to avoid those substance abuse things like alcohol and drugs, and protect your head from injury is a big thing there. So I hope you learned lots about the nervous system today through my video, and I hope you all are doing well.